welcome back to another Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. This one is for January of 2021. We've got some stuff here. We've got the bag, we've got the refreshments bag, and we've got some items that didn't fit in the bag. So we'll start with the refreshments because there's only one thing in it. So I think it's got like that same silky bag as last one. Let me look. Do I have it nearby? I don't think I... Yes, I do, and yes, it's the same bag. So apparently if you're a member of refreshments, you're gonna get a whole bunch of this bag, so I hope you like it because you're gonna have a bunch of it, so just be aware that that's the thing. Don't know if they're eventually gonna change it up so you don't have like 10 million of the same bag over and over, but for right now it's the same bag over and over. I only got one item this time because I really didn't need repeats on the stuff I've already got. Like, I haven't even tried them yet, admittedly, but if I should fall in love with one, and I want some more, I'm sure I'll add some more, but for the time being, I'm just trying to get one of each thing, just to try them out. I'm honestly not expecting much for the price points, but this is their Velvety Body Cream in Citrus Spritz, which is apparently the same scent as the hand cream, and seems to be their scent that they're going with for, like, all the things right now, so whatevs, it's cool. So, there's that. I'll get around to reviewing it one of these days. Main reason that I'm, like, trying to make sure to get this unboxing done is because I want to use my freaking masks! Mostly because of my starry one. I really wanted to wear it on Inauguration Day, but clearly I dropped the fucking ball and did not do it in time for Inauguration Day. Would have been really cute, though, but still like it, because it's still stars. Makes me think of Ringo, therefore, I love it. So, once that one's clean, it'll probably be, like, all I fucking wear. Then I have another plain black one, which is a little smaller than my other one, so not quite sure how it'll fit. Hopefully it'll be fine. I mean, I do have a big old schnoz, so hopefully it'll fit my damn face. So there's that one. And then there's this lovely blue one that kind of looks like denim. It's like halfway between denim and canvas, but the color makes it look like denim without being as rough as actual denim on your face, so that's kind of cool. But yeah, so they've got all the instructions about how to wear it, how to take care of it, da-da-da-da-da. Yes, so, anyway, I'll get those washed up, maybe, I don't know, tonight, tomorrow, somewhere in there, and probably get them into rotation within the next week anyway, but $5 says I just want to live in the star one once it's clean. Because I am predictable. Just like I've been living in the lipsticks one from a while back. Ever since I got it clean. I haven't even touched the other two yet, so. And then the actual bag itself for January is so effing cute. And just like the one in the normal Ipsy Glam bag, it's so 90s, early 2000s. I swear, I had a drawstring bag in about, like, 99, 2000, I was in, like, 8th grade. It was, like, this exact fucking color. This exact color combo to boot. Had some clouds on it. It, like, had John Lennon's Imagine on it. Like, I was in love with that stupid thing. I wish I knew what happened to it. I don't think it ever made it out of the old house, sadly, but oh my god. This reminds me of it, though. Just, like, the aesthetic. It hella reminds me of it. And these... like, just this aesthetic was really big around that time period. Not just with me, but in general. So, just saying. It throws me right back to middle school. Oh, we've got, the last chance to sign up for Glam Bag X with Patrick Taw. Yes, I'm getting Glam Bag X next month. I already saw my preview of it. Looks pretty cool. So, do we have the usual card for this one? I don't think we do. Oh, wait, yeah, we do, It's way down the side. I was like, that's weird. Okay, yeah, we do. Does it have product info? Nope. Does not. Okay. Well, I think it still says the same stuff as the other one, but the stuff inside. Beauty resolutions for your sign. Should I read all of them or just mine? I'm a Capricorn, so it says, when trying new trends and colors, stay true to you. That's not a fucking horoscope or a resolution. Whatever. I'll read the others. Aries, show off your inner fire on the outside. Taurus, make a habit for healthy skin and don't skip the sunscreen. Gemini, be the trendsetter you are and go bold with makeup. Hey, Nikki, you hear that? You're a trendsetter, according to Ipsy. They said so. Cancer, love yourself with or without makeup. You're gorgeous both ways. Leo, nothing will dull your shine. Consider highlighter your holy grail. That's awesome. Virgo, oh Kimmy. Stray from the understated looks you love and experiment. Oh my god. I feel like they just called her out. Oh my god. Libra, go with the flow and let your looks change with your moods. Scorpio, opt for something totally new. Do we suggest pink? That should have been mine. Sagittarius, don't be afraid to have the loudest look in the room. No, I take it back. That one should have been mine. If I'd been born like a couple weeks earlier, it would have been mine. Aquarius, keep your routine simple and steady. Less is more. And Pisces, embrace your uniqueness and let those quirks be cute. That did not go how I planned. Damn it. Oh well. I'll just stick that over here. Pretend that was cool. God damn it. Okay. So we have a $1 billion brows set, which is hilarious for somebody who literally never spends time on her brows. But I mean, I suppose I could use the tweezers anyway. It's a brow kit. The best brow kit ever, apparently. Professional quality and salon approved. It's got scissors! Yay, scissors! Straight edge stainless steel scissors, perfect for trimming those pesky brow hairs. Is it just me? Mine have never been, like, problematic enough to need to be trimmed. Okay. Tweezers, stainless steel, a professional grade tweezer, specially coated and designed with precision in mind. It is built to grab the finest of hairs with its slanted tip. Probably won't bother with my brows, probably gonna use it for those pesky chin hairs that love to crop up right here, over and over, non-fucking stop. Yeah, I'll be real with you guys. We all get them. We all have at least one that crops up that we never speak of because we're embarrassed. I'm like, fuck stigmas. I'll tell you like it is. Eyebrow brush. This angled brush applies powder or pomade to the eyebrow and effortlessly blends product with the spoolie brush on its opposite end. Or you're like me and you just use a spoolie brush to break up clumps in your mascara. Hey, whatever works, right? I mean, I'm sure I'll find uses for all these. Whatevs, it's cool. Then I got this I am excited about. This is by Glow Recipe, which already excites me. And it's the Watermelon Glow Lip Pop. I'm like, ooh, watermelon and it's a lipper. Fuck yes. So, look at it. Look at it. It's so cute. It's so cute. Oh my god. Oh my god. Does it, please tell me it smells like water. Oh, it even has like little dots in it, like watermelon bits. Oh, that's gonna be my new favorite thing. Holy shit. Oh, that's going on the top of the be reviewed pile, because oh my god, get that on my lips right now, please, and thank you. Oh, that smells heavenly. Ooh. Okay. This surprises me, because I thought maybe the image on the website was warped, because I was expecting something like this by the same brand, but, it's like a skinny mini. I was like, oh, okay, that's cool. It's like half size. Alright, whatevs. So instead of being cream rose, this one's cream violet. Soothing hand and body butter with lavender and oatmeal. Okay. Luxurious hand. It says basically the same shit that the other one does. Except plus lavender and oatmeal instead of rose. Whatever. I mean, I use that one to death, so when I use that one up, I'll open this guy. And it probably won't go very far, because there's so much less in it. I probably would have already been done with that one by now if it only had this much in it, but I still love their aesthetic. It's just so pretty. It's so pretty. Pretty! I don't know what the hell my brain is today, guys. I'm so sorry. We have a box of Pure Lease Blue Lotus and Seaweed Treatment Sheet Masks. Fuck yeah! How many masks do we get? We get 6! Hell yeah! So these I might actually be able to do consistently enough to tell you if they actually do a thing. Holy shit. Because usually I have like 1, maybe 2 of any given mask, and that is not long enough to tell if they're actually doing a thing. It's just not. So hey, I actually have a set for once. Woohoo. We've got, ooh, Ooh, it's raw sugar, so it's got the bamboo cap. I don't know why that delights me so fucking much, but it does. And it's the raw sugar hand sanitizer with watermelon and aloe vera. Oh my goodness. Again, it's the little things, guys. It's... Oh my god, for some reason, being made of bamboo, I didn't think that little click would, like, actually work. But it's just like a plastic... Wow. It is a plastic cap. It's just got the bamboo on the outside. It's a little misleading, but... Oh, for some reason, it's just, like, so amusing to me that it's bamboo, and yet it does the thing, even though I know that it's just for effect, because it's only on the outside of the cap. But let's smell it. Mmm. All the watermelon goodness today. That smells really good for hand sanitizer. Holy shit. 62% ethyl alcohol. Woo! Might get high smelling that without meaning to. Let's see here. Making sure there's no fucking coconut. There's not! I can use it! Yay! Because I have like 2 of this actually. And I dropped it. So, because I have an Ipsy add-on package too that I think I forgot I got this in here, so I put it in that. So now I have 2 of it. I almost had 3 of it, but then I was like, wait, I think I have one. Good thing, because I have 2. So from Violet Voss, we have an eyeshadow single in Magic Hour. I was like, I'm sure there's a color name somewhere here. Somewhere. Is it gold? Is it purple? Is it blue? What is it? Mystery color! And it's gold. Okay. I was figuring, like, golden hour, so that was why I was guessing gold, but that's really pretty. I'm really excited. That reminds me a lot of that Natasha Denona one that I thought was crap at first until Kimmy told me how to actually use shimmers. And you do it with your finger, and apparently they work better, and she was fucking right. I hate having to admit she's right, but yeah, she was hella right. It makes all the difference. And then finally, I'm surprised at how big this is. This is the Candy Johnson and Pure Lease collab, and it's the Butterme Orange Creamsicle Body Butter. Like, oh, hello. Can we smell it, or is there a foil seal? There's probably a foil seal. If there is, I'm not gonna... Yeah, there's a foil seal. Damn it. Okay. I'll wait till I properly open it then. Did I already break the cap? I think I did. Damn it. Damn it, twice. I did. I think it also wasn't cut correctly, because it, like, struggled to open to start with, and now it won't close further than that. Damn everything! Oh my gosh, why is this so cheaply made? Don't say 'cause Candy Johnson. No shade to Candy Johnson, I'm so sorry. But, I am excited to see how orange creamsicle-y this probably smells, but, oh, it actually has orange and vanilla in it. That's cool. That's cool. Coconut oil. Alright, I saw coconut, I was like, fuck! But no, it's coconut oil. We're okay. We're okay. We're still in the game. I'm checking the rest of it now to make sure no nasty surprises when I do open it for realsies. But so far, so good. I'll read all of them off to you when I get around to actually reviewing it, but... Oh, thank God. No coconut. I can use it. I would probably cry, like, after getting excited for seeing how big it is, and for how fun of a scent that looks like it's gonna be for everything. If it turned out to be something I couldn't use after all that, I'd be very upset right now. So I'm very glad that it's something I can actually safely use, because I won't be allergic to it. Yay, huzzah. Alright, so, anyway, that's what I got in my January Glam Bag Plus box. I'm just sticking bag, I guess. Sticking everything back in the envelope for now, just to keep it all neat and tidy. But yes, now I can get these washed and start using them, which, do you know how much willpower it's taken me to leave them the fuck alone until I made this video? Should have made this video like a month ago, but anyway. Anyways, you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. What did you get in your January Ipsy bags, or plus bags, either or depending, or both if you get both. Let me know down below, as well as anything else at all about anything. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Get your name on the end card for a month from the time of donating. Anyway, guys, until next time, bye-bye.